Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is Mother's Day, so I thought it'll be easier to get the groceries delivered by Instacart. So that's what I did by Aldi today. I want to start and try keto, and I said I was going to try after Vegas. So this is what this haul is. It is some items in here for the family. Of course they're going to eat this food too, but it's not totally, this haul is also items for them. Also, they did some substitutions, and it's okay. I bought the items before, but I wanted certain items, but that's what you get for doing Instacart, or sometimes Aldi, it just be out of stock, you know, or whatever store. Okay, so let's get started with this. Okay guys, starting over here, I have some green peppers, some spring mix. This actually was supposed to be collard greens, but they didn't have it, so I guess some things Aldi normally doesn't have with Instacart, so it gave me like a list of substitutions to do, and I said go ahead and just do the spring mix, the organic mix. This is around $3 and something. Aldi's Instacart stuff, or anything with Instacart, is usually a little bit higher, just a couple of cents more, and I guess that's just to compensate for Instacart, and I totally understand because I have worked for Instacart and for Ship, so maybe I'll talk about that one day. Okay, so celery, I got this as like a snack, and then I got some spinach, like to make an omelet or to cook up in the pan maybe one day, or just for a salad. I also got some of this homestyle ranch dressing dip, and guys, I don't remember the prices. I still haven't forgot the price sheet, I'm sorry, but I don't remember the prices because they're different on the Instacart platform. So this is like a dip for the celery and the cucumbers, and also for the carrots. I don't know if it's totally keto or not. I was going by a list that I had. If it's not totally, at least I'm eating better, because I have to see if keto is going to work for me, especially after having surgery. And it took me a while to even try to do this particular diet, because for one, I had like a lot of ketones in my urine when I had Jasmine. I think I was almost like preeclampsia, but they said I was fine, so I always try to watch that. And then also because it's drilled in our head to always have, I guess I should turn the camera around. It's always drilled in our head to have protein with bariatric surgery, and low fat. And keto is high fat, some protein, but more so high fat. So it was really hard for me to even, I don't know, get all of my thoughts together to even do this type of diet, because it's what was almost drilled in our head to do our diet a certain way. Okay, let's keep going. Alrighty, so I got some almonds over here. I also got some chicken broth, the fat-free, and the beef broth. I've been using the bouillon cubes. You guys seen in a haul, I've been talking about that. But I said, let me use this, because I remember somebody when I was doing research said this was better. I also got some red onions and some pork rinds if I want something crunchy or whatever. Even with bariatric, with high protein or whatever, they say you can use this as a snack. But I was kind of getting sick of, I didn't do it all the time, but I was getting sick of it. But I got it anyway. Some yellow onions, some cucumbers, mainly for snacking, and to make that cucumber, tomato, and onion with vinegar salad with salt and pepper. And then some low moisture part skim mozzarella, some diced tomatoes. I think these were 39 cents. The crushed tomatoes, 2 of these were like 65. I got some baking powder because usually my stuff is always expired, and it was just like $1.09. And I saw like some desserts that you can make ahead of time, and I think that will work out well more so, because then, you know, if you know you're going to have a sweet tooth or whatever, I really don't know how keto works. I mean, maybe after a while you don't even crave it, which will be great. But I think also it's a type of bread. I can't remember the name of it, but so anyway, that's why I got that. Okay, some ham for the family and everybody else. Some bacon center cut. I got 2 things of that. Some chicken. I already have some chicken breast in there, so we should be good. And then their pizza. They always have pizza. Probably should have got 4 instead of 3. Some mini peanut butter sandwich cookies. Crackers for Josiah. I did ask for some different pickles. I like the whole pickle. The mini deals, I think that's what they are, but these are the spears. I know it's the same. I think they are deal, but I like the whole ones, but they mustn't have it. That was an option to go ahead and substitute. The beef smoked sausage. This will be, I do remember, for the cabbage and sausage for a keto recipe I saw. And I already have cabbage already, and I need to cook it before it goes bad. Some sharp cheddar cheese. Some heavy whipping cream. I saw that this was a staple with keto, so I got 2 of those. 2 of the cream cheese, and then the sour cream. I got the regular. I'm disappointed because he should have contacted me, because I do know, as working with them, that if it's a substitution and I didn't approve it, that they should at least contact you. And so he gave me Gouda, and I wanted provolone, and I know it was probably because of a recipe, so we're going to use it anyway, but I'm disappointed with that. I don't know, I may take it back and exchange it. The sharp cheddar cheese, some Kobe, either, I don't know, recipes or make it into blocks for recipes. I got some shrimp right here, the large cooked shrimp. Some onion recipe soup dip mix. I got that mainly because it was already in the shopping cart from previous time before, and you know, you can't hurt to have that. Some butter. I actually want the Kerrygold. They did not have it as an option anymore, so I don't know if it's because it was out of stock, but they had it in the tub as an option. And so I manually put it in, and this is what he gave me. So I have used this, you guys know, before, but I want it Kerrygold. Some pepperoni, and it's keto approved. And then another recipe for the chuck roast. But good gracious, when I picked this up, I was like, oh man, I hate to flip over and see the price of this, because on Instacart or something like that, when you're ordering your groceries, it is a estimate of the price. So this was $16, so I'm not too happy about that, but it is what it is. Okay, so here's some eggs. I already have some eggs, so I didn't need any more. And then some honey wheat bread for them, 2 things of that. And then I have some milk over here, and then we got 2 bottles of water, and my goal is to, well, I guess I need to get started. My goal is to drink 4 to 5 bottles of water a day, so I need to drink 1. So that's it, guys. I will add the meal plan at the end. I hope you guys have a great Mother's Day, and I will share, if any, progress on my other weight loss channel over there. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye. This is the very first keto meal. This is a low carb keto meal. I had to turn down the lighting because that lighting didn't look too appetizing. So I was supposed to cook the sausage first in this pan, and I guess leave all that stuff. Keto, I'm gonna see if this works for me or not. I said I'll try it. It don't hurt to try it. But I just don't understand why they wouldn't use, why wouldn't you use the natural juices that come from the sausage? Why would you add more fat? So that's what I'm not understanding, or at least EVOO. So anyway, I was supposed to cook this into that, the driblets, or give, what, you know, all the juices and stuff to mix with the salt, with the cabbage. But I seasoned my cabbage up and everything, and so I'm going to put it in here. And yeah, and that's the low carb keto meal. It is saying to make this let's see, I printed it off. The rest of them I saved on my computer. This is from, oh, it's not on here. I'll put it on here, guys. But it has like a homemade sugar-free barbecue sauce. And I don't know about that. So I'm not going to worry about that. It's probably good, but I'm not going to worry about that. And yeah. So I'll let you know if it's good. I'm sure it is, because I think I had something like this before. Okay, guys, so it's all done. I am giving the family some as well, because this will take me forever to eat, and not sure if Jason's gonna totally do keto with me or not. But yeah, so I think with them though, like, I should have maybe added mac and cheese, but JJ's not a fan of mac and cheese, but Cottrell is. But anyway, but this is what I'm having.